friends, welcome to today's video. So today we are having a puzzle based on blood relations. So welcome to today's video. So today's question is, in a family of 6 members A, B, C, D, E and F, each one plays one game out of 6 games: carom, table tennis, cricket, badminton, chess and volleyball. 2 are married couple. B, who plays carom, is the daughter-in-law of E. A is the father of D, the table tennis player, and D is the father of C, who plays cricket. F is the brother of C. Volleyball is not played by a female member. E's husband plays badminton. So when you are reading these options, you have to just take the main points in your mind. Like volleyball is not played by a female member, so likewise. So it should be inscribed in your mind. Just read the options once and then you can start doing. Our first step is we have to draw a table like this. So we are going to write here A, B, C, D, E and F. So we have to draw a table for this data. So then only we will be able to solve. So we are having 2 data here. One is the games played by the 6 members and the relationships between the 6 members. So you have to draw the pictorial map representing the relationships and you have to draw this table. So fill it fast. Next is the games: caroms, table tennis, cricket, badminton, chess and volleyball. So you have to remember what letters you have given. Here C is representing chess. We are having 3 C's. So one C is caroms. I have written it fully. Then cricket. Then chess. So other all only one letter. Starting with T, only table tennis is there. Starting with B, only badminton is there. Starting with B, only volleyball is there. So you are representing it by using the letters itself. So now let's start. So 2 are married couple. So just remember it in your mind. So B who plays carom, B who plays carom. Okay, so B is playing carom. So you have to put cross for all the other entries in both the row and the column. So that is the key here. So put crosses for all the entries, for all the other entries in both row and column of B. And it is also given B is the daughter-in-law of E. So E is there and E's son will be there, and B is the wife of E's son, or B is the daughter-in-law of E. So that also you are completing here. Now A is the father of D. So A is the father of D. Okay. So you cannot draw it here. You are drawing it as a separate diagram. A is the father of D, the table tennis player, and D is the father of C who plays cricket, and D is the father of C also. You can draw the relationship diagram here, and now we have to fill the table. A is the father of D, the table tennis player. So that means D is playing the table tennis. So put crosses on all the other entries in both row and column. And D is the father of C who plays cricket. So C is playing cricket. Again put crosses in all the other rows and column. Next information, F is the brother of C. So F will come here and F is the brother of C. So now this diagram should fit with this diagram. So how it should come? Okay, now let's go to the remaining statements also. Volleyball is not played by a female member and E's husband plays badminton. E's husband plays badminton means E is a female, and plus that we can fill the diagram like this. A should come here and D should come here and C and F should come here. Then only there will be 2 married couple. We are having the statement like 2 are married couple. So only if this diagram fits like this, like A is the husband of E and D is the husband of B, then this diagram can exactly fit here. So this will be our complete relationship diagram. Now let's go to fill the table. So E is a female, which means that E will not be playing volleyball. Okay, because it is given volleyball is not played by a female member. So E is a female, so E will not be playing volleyball. Now again, E's husband plays badminton. So A is E's husband, so A will be playing badminton. So we can fill it like this. Now we are only having one option left for E. So E should be playing chess. So that means F should be playing volleyball. Okay, we are having the gender of everyone except C. For C's gender is unknown and there is no way we can infer the gender of C. And this table should be complete by all means. Then only we can go and solve the problem. Okay, you have to complete the whole relationship diagram and you have to complete the whole table. It should be complete in all means. That means it should be full. The table should be full like this. Either cross or ticks should come. Then only you should go and solve the questions. So this was our completed table and our completed relationship diagram. Now let's go to the given questions. Who among the following plays chess? So here you can see that chess is played by E. So our answer is E. Now how is F related to A? F is the grandson of A. Who is the husband of B? D is the husband of B. How many male members are there in the family? So we cannot say how many male members are there or how many female members are there because C's gender is not known. So data inadequate will be our answer. C can be either male or female. We don't know. So these kind of questions or these kind of puzzles, practice is the key. You have to go on practicing more and more. So now let's go to question number 2. In a family of 6 members, A, B, C, D, E and F, there are 2 married couples and the family members belong to 3 generations. Each member has a distinct choice of color among green, yellow, pink, black, white and blue. No lady member likes green or white color. C, who likes black color, is the daughter-in-law of E. B is the brother of F and son of D and he likes blue. A is grandmother of F and F does not like pink. There is a man liking green and his wife likes yellow color. Okay, so our first step is to draw a table. So we have to draw a table and we have to represent all these colors and all these family members here, A, B, C, D, E and F. You have to complete all the rows and diagram, then only you can easily infer from this table. And then the colors are green, yellow, pink, black, white and blue. So you can write all your colors also here. So you can start. No lady member likes green or white color. So you just remember it in your mind. Now C, who likes black color. So C likes black color. So you can complete the row and the corresponding column. So that is the key here. So some columns will be left out and from that you can easily infer. And you have to draw the relationship diagram also simultaneously. C is the daughter-in-law of E. So same way C is the daughter-in-law. So C's son will be here. We don't know who it is. And C is the daughter-in-law of E. Now B is the brother of F and son of D. So diagram will come like this. B is the brother of F and son of D. And he likes blue. So B likes blue. So B likes blue. Okay. So at the same time complete the row and column. Now A is grandmother of F. So A will be coming here and F does not like pink. Now also it is given here, no lady member likes green or white color. So we know the gender of A now. A is a female. So A will not be liking green or white color. So you can put crosses for green and white rows. Now it is given F does not like pink. So you can put cross for F. Now there is a man liking green and his wife likes yellow color. Now how this relationship diagram will be fitting to this? So what is the only possibility? There should be 2 married couples and they should be belonging to 3 generations. So only possibility is A should come here. So E should be the male and D should be the husband of C and like this only it can be completed. This is the only option available to us. So A, E, D, C, B and F. Now it is given there is a man liking green and his wife likes yellow color. We already know C is liking black color. So this combination will not work for the couple D and C because it's already given C is liking black color. So C cannot like yellow color also. So the only possibility is A should be liking yellow color and E should be liking green color because there are only 2 married couples here, A, E and C, D. So C, D combination will not be having this green and yellow because it's already given C likes black. The only option remaining for us is the married couple E and A. So A will be liking yellow color. So let's complete here. And E will be liking green color. So there is only one option remaining for us. F will be liking white color. There is only one column blank for F, that is white. So F should be liking white color. So if F should be liking white color means what is the meaning? F is a male because it is given no lady member likes green or white color. So F is liking white color means F should be a male. So the gender of all the members are available in this relationship diagram. Now for completing the table, there is only one option available for D. P is the only column blank. So D should be liking pink color. So this table is complete in all respects. This relationship diagram is also complete. Now let's go and solve the problems. Okay, now let's go to our questions. Which of the following is one of the married couples? CD, DA, AC, none of these. So EA is one married couple. CD is the second married couple. So our option is A. How is F related to B? F is the brother of B. What color does A like? A likes yellow color. How many male members are there in the family? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 male members in the family. Once this table and diagram is complete, you can answer these questions within seconds. So our key is spend some time, 3 to 4 minutes you can take. So spending 3 to 4 minutes and completing this table and completing this relationship diagram is worth it because you will be able to answer 4 questions. 4 or 5 questions will be there based on this puzzle. So complete the table and the relationship diagram correctly, taking minimum time. 3 to 4 minutes is a maximum time you can take, and then after that you can answer these questions within seconds. One more puzzle question. In a family of 7 members, A, B, C, D, E, F and G, there are 2 married couples. G is a housewife and her husband is a lawyer. C is the wife of B. A is an engineer and is granddaughter of G. D is the father-in-law of C, a doctor, and father of E, a professor. F is A's brother and B's son. So here 7 professions are not given. It is not given like there are 7 professions and each one of them is doing a profession. It is not that kind of question. So you need not draw the table here. In the previous 2 questions, all the 7 professions were given and you needed to map each person to each profession or each person to each color. This is not that kind of question. So here the table is not required. So how to solve this? Here it is given like there are 2 married couples and G is a housewife and her husband is a lawyer. So G and her husband, and G is a housewife and her husband will be a lawyer. We are representing the professions by using the bracket. Now C is the wife of B. So C and B are couples. C is the husband and C is the wife. A is an engineer and is granddaughter of G. So G already we are having here. So granddaughter of G is A. So here a second generation will come, and after that second generation A will be coming, and A is a female and A is an engineer. D is the father-in-law of C. So D is the father-in-law of C means it should come here. Now so what is the only diagram possible here? D should come here. Once you get clues, you have to connect very easily because it is given 3 generations are there. So C and B are belonging to the second generation and D is belonging to the first generation. Here we already know A is belonging to the third generation and G is belonging to the first generation because A is the granddaughter of G. So here D is also belonging to the first generation. It is evident, and G is also belonging to the first generation, and G is a female and D is a male, and also we can complete easily like this. C and B are a couple. C is the female and B is the male, and A is the daughter of C and B. So what is given? D is the father-in-law of C. D is the father-in-law of C. Okay, so here B is the son. Okay, I made a mistake here. This line is not there because D is the father-in-law of C. A doctor. So C is a doctor. C is a doctor. And father of E, a professor. So E should come here. So E is a professor. Now F is A's brother and B's son. F is A's brother. F should come here. Okay, so now it is complete. So based on the figure we have completed. Once more I will check. G is a housewife. So G is a female and her husband is a lawyer. So D is a lawyer. Now C is the wife of B. Okay, C is the wife of B. So C is a female and B is a male. A is an engineer and granddaughter of G. If it is coming correctly. D is the father-in-law of C. So B should be the son of D, and then C will be the daughter-in-law of D. C is a doctor and father of E is a professor. F is A's brother and B's son. Now let's go to our questions. How is F related to C? So what is the relationship between F and C? F is the son of C. How is B related to E? So B is the brother of E. So here uncle, sister and cousin options are there. So none of these will be the answer. Who is a lawyer? So D is the lawyer here. We already know G's husband is a lawyer. The only option available to us is that D should be the husband of G. There should be two married couples. So G should be the husband of D, and so D is a lawyer. So these kind of puzzles can come from blood relations. So family, there will be 2 generations or there will be 3 generations and 2 married couples. So complete the table and complete the relationship diagram simultaneously. It should be complete in all respects. Then you can go and solve the questions in seconds. For more aptitude, reasoning and vocabulary videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.